Haltech is one of the world's leading aftermarket ECU manufacturers. Founded in 1986, their background lies in fuel injection diagnostic equipment. But they're famous for developing the first PC-based ECU programmable in real time. With their Piggyback Interceptor, F10X, E6 range, and the class-leading E8 and E11 V2, Haltech has an ECU to suit any application and any budget. Production has now also commenced on their new Platinum Series ECU. Their ECUs, software and accessories are developed in-house at their Sydney office, and further product development is also done in their US office. Haltech also use motorsport and modified street cars to further develop and test their products through sponsorship and support. The E8 and E11 V2 are the flagships of the Haltech range, offering a total engine management solution for almost any engine combination, controlling fuel, ignition, and a host of auxiliary engine functions such as idle control, air conditioning, cold start, thermofans, throttle pumps and fuel pumps. The E8 and E11 use the same hardware and software but differ in the amount of inputs and outputs. The E8 has 8 channels and it's designed for sequential injection control of 2 and 4 cylinder and twin rotor engines. The E11 V2 has 14 channels and it's designed for sequential injection control over anything from 4 up to 12 cylinder and quad rotor engines. Both ECUs use the same advanced but user-friendly HAL1 software and are packed with the same features: 32 by 32 mapping points up to 16,000 RPM and full data logging functions. Both are able to be integrated with almost any factory sensors and electronics, including coil packs and distributors, idle stepper motors, VTEC, along with temperature and pressure sensors and TPS. The E11 V2 can also control variable cam timing in cars such as the Evo 9 and WRX STI. To take advantage of this, Haltech have developed an array of patch looms, which make the Haltech E8 and E11 plug-and-play items. They're available for all Skylines and GTRs from R32 to R34, Silvias S13 through S15, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 1 through 9, Subaru WRX and STI, MY94 through MY05, Series 4 through 8 RX7, JZA80 Toyota Supra, and the Mazda MX-5 Miata. The E8 and E11 are also able to control a host of functions required by many performance and racing cars, including anti-lag and launch control, electronic boost control, nitrous control, shift lights and extra tachos, turbo timer, torque converter lockup, extra thermo fans, and electric water and oil pumps, just to name a few. Haltech also have a wide range of accessories including various sensors, wideband O2 kit, boost control solenoid, coil packs, igniters, and a range of digital dashes. For more in-depth information, you can download the E8 and E11 specification sheets and instruction manuals from the Haltech website, haltech.com. To cater for the emergence of advanced technology and the new breed of late-model cars, Haltech have developed the new Platinum Series ECU. The Platinum is smaller, lighter and faster, with 3 times quicker processing speed. Many new cars use CAN bus systems, which integrate the ECU with a host of other electronics in the car, including stability and traction control, ABS, gearbox, and the electronics in the dash. The Platinum ECU is able to be fully integrated, so the factory computer handles what it needs to, while the Haltech Platinum handles the engine. This means that all of the factory systems and sensors will continue to function normally, as the factory ECU isn't totally removed. The factory CAN bus system also means that Haltech can read all the factory sensors, including NOx sensors. This, combined with a built-in map sensor, means the Platinum will be a true plug-in computer with no extra sensors needed to be wired in. The Platinum also has its own CAN bus system, so that current and future Haltech devices can be easily added, such as digital dashes. The Platinum has 32 by 32 user-definable mapping points to tune fuel and ignition. It has all the same control functions as the E8 and E11, but also has dual cam timing control, meaning it can control both the inlet and exhaust cam timing, such as in the 350Z. It also has the ability to manage variable lift camshafts, like the one in the new Nissan GT-R. So far, Haltech have developed a patch loom to suit the Nissan 350Z and all K-series powered Hondas. Haltech are also currently developing patch looms for the MY06 and 07 WRX and STI, along with the new model WRX. Development has also commenced on the Mitsubishi Evo 10 and the new Nissan GT-R. Totally new software was developed for the Haltech Platinum Series ECU. It's the most advanced but user-friendly software on the market, with almost limitless possibilities. The ECU navigator on the side allows quick selection of any tuning table. You can then bring up 2D, 3D, and various number tables. A description at the bottom helps guide you through. You can choose what information you want displayed on each page, and it can be named and saved as a favourite, helping make tuning much more efficient. Different themes also allow you to change the look of the gauges. The user is able to define almost anything, including the axis, so you can choose what to tune against. You can choose the mapping points up to 32 by 32, but less points can be used to make tuning quicker. These points are also totally definable and can be changed on the fly. The main setup page is specific to each model car, uncomplicating things even further. The Platinum can also tune in different modes: injection timing, volumetric efficiency, and lambda correction. The Platinum is also compatible with airflow meters. The Platinum also uses a USB connection for laptop tuning, getting rid of serial port problems. The data logging software is also much more advanced and user-friendly. It can be set to log up to 200 times per second. You can create a project file and load and overlay as much data as you like, making for quick and easy comparisons. Any piece of information can be logged. The Trace Navigator lets you know where you are within the log when you're zoomed in, and you can add notes for future reference. The data can be displayed in different ways and can be saved and emailed or printed off. The amount of features in the new Haltech Platinum series is simply astounding. For more information and updates, head to the Haltech website, haltech.com. To celebrate the launch of the all-new Nissan GT-R for 2008, Ignition DVD has created the ultimate collection of the world's most insanely modified GT-Rs ever seen on one DVD. The new Ignition GT-R Special Edition DVD explores the history of this legendary supercar from its roots in the 60s through each successive model, including rare insights into Special Edition models and a recap of the GT-R's illustrious race heritage. The Ignition GT-R Special Edition also features some of the most famous tuned examples ever created, including the HKS R33 drag car, Reese McGregor's world record-holding R32 drag car, and the fabled Nismo R34 Z-Tune, the finest example of the RB26 breed. This special DVD will also showcase the new GT-R in all its glory, including its first Time Attack appearance at Tsukuba Circuit and the first public appearance of the new GT500 circuit car at the 2007 Nismo Festival in Japan. All this makes the Ignition GT-R Special Edition a must-have for any GT-R enthusiast, and it's on sale now at ignitiondvd.com.